Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I am Himanshu Sharma. So many people are having Tech Mahindra's second round, and many people have no clue how many rounds will be there, what are the different phases. So our student has taken it today, and we have the exact questions, the pattern which was asked in Tech Mahindra second round. So in the second round, there are two sections. Section number one is the psychometry round, which has 86 questions and you're given 25 minutes. Questions are basic, very simple, based on your personality. You have to choose answers. Okay. So 86 questions, 25 minutes won't be that hectic. It'll be very easy. You have to be honest. You have to be optimistic. You have to be adaptive. And you should not contradict yourself in your answers. You just have to take care of this. Any situation, the only goal is to win over that situation. This is what you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now coming to the second round, which many people have texted me, sir, can you please provide me information about it? So the second round, there is another section called non-SD test. Okay. So in this, I recently got to know the pattern. So there are sections. Section number one is the quant part, quantitative aptitude. Section number two is the logical aptitude. Section number three is the verbal aptitude. Okay. Section number four is the coding round. Section number five is computer fundamentals round. So there are five sections. Quantitative aptitude, there is timing for it. Okay. So you will have in quant, you will have around 6 to 8 questions in quantitative aptitude, and you have section timing for that. You will get around 5 to 7 minutes. Then you have logical, that also have time lapse. In logical, we have again 6 to 8 questions, and again you'll get 5 to 7 minutes time. Then you have verbal section. In verbal, you have again around 7 questions, 6 to 7 questions, and again time lapse is there. After that, you have coding questions. Okay, you'll get one question on coding, and you have to execute the program. It is given 60 minutes, 60, 1 hour is given for that. Okay, and after that, there is something known as computer fundamentals. Now, what is the time for this? In this 2 hours of exam, totally you're given 2 hours. In this 2 hours, whatever is the remaining time, whatever is the remaining time, which means in coding, if you're saving time, you can give more time to the computer fundamentals round. Okay, in computer fundamentals, you'll have topics on like operating system, you'll have on Linux, you'll have on software engineering, you'll have on pseudocodes. You do not require much time on computer fundamentals, so you can use your time in coding around for sure. Okay. Now talking about each section in detail. Okay. So coming to quant part. Okay. Quant part, questions were asked on time and work, profit and loss, compound interest. 2 to 3 questions were asked, which means maximum questions were asked from compound interest, discount, and they asked question like this. Okay, the depreciation rate of article is this. Okay, these type of questions were asked in quantitative aptitude. 6 to 8 questions were there, and you were given around 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, second round, second section was the logical. Okay, again 6 to 8 questions. It is time based, 5 to 7 minutes. 2 to 3 questions were asked on patterns. Okay, the questions on series was asked, questions on seating arrangement was asked, questions on blood relation, 2 to 3 questions, pattern, 2 to 3 questions. So maximum questions were asked from blood relations and patterns, and it was similar like the first round. Okay, like how you took up the first round of Tech Mahindra, same type of questions were asked, but it was a bit higher level than the first round. Okay. Next comes the verbal part. In verbal ability, that is the English part, they had one RC. My student faced one RC, and in that RC there were 3 to 4 questions. Question like what is the suitable topic, what is the moral, and then there were fill in the blanks. They used to give 6 options in that. Pick the 2 most suitable words. Okay, questions on tenses were asked. Okay, had been, have been. Pick the suitable word to fill in the blank. This was asked. Okay, so this is about the 3 sections. Now coming to the coding round, no time limit. Maximum you'll get 60 minutes time. Okay, you can finish it fast. Uh, Coding which was asked to my student was GP series. Okay, what was asked? It was asked to produce the nth term, and they will give you the first term. First term will be given, and he was to produce the nth term. And other students had got questions on bitwise operators. Okay, so these were the questions which was asked today. That is on, what is the date today? Today is 5th December, and he took it up today, 5th December. I'm talking at 8 o'clock. Okay. And what else? So this was coding. And now coming to mix round, that is the computer fundamentals round, we call it as. What were the questions asked in computer fundamentals? Now, if I talk about software engineering, okay, on software engineering, questions were like on software development phase, okay, question was asked, agile waterfall model, all these type of questions were asked on this topic. Okay, then they had given requirement design, code testing, deployment, uh, arrange them in order. This type of question was asked. Okay, so there were 5 to 6 questions. It was very basic. Again, I repeat, on software development phase, then questions on waterfall model, agile, and then they used to give a set of steps, that is requirement, design, code, testing, deploy. Arrange them in suitable order. These type of questions were asked. So it was not that tough. It was quite easy. And on Linux programming, 4 to 5 minutes were given. 5 to 6 questions were there. Questions were based on Linux commands and also on definitions. This is what was asked. And then coming to software engineering is done, Linux is done, pseudocodes. Pseudocodes, neither C nor C++ nor Java. Okay, simple pseudocodes like read statement was there, write statement was there, input statement, print statement, which means what? It does not concern any programming language. Okay, if you just go through the pseudocode, you'll easily understand. So it is independent of any programming language. Okay, so and what did they ask? They asked, they give a pseudocode, if else statements they give in simple English language, and we had to pick the best switch case in that. Okay, so questions were there, those were asked, and what else? So, and one more part we have is pseudocode is an operating systems. Operating system MCQs, all are MCQs in computer fundamentals, even operating system paging, segmentation, all these type of basic questions were asked. Okay, so quant is section 1, logical is section 2, verbal is section 3, coding is section 4. Computer fundamentals is section 5, which I got to know. Anything else which I can share with you is first your pic will be taken and your screen will be shared and the webcam will be on, which means you cannot do anything except taking up the exam in your laptop. Okay, you have to share your screen and the webcam will be on. Now many people are like, sir, can we use pen and paper? You can definitely use a pen and paper, but see through that you're not moving away from the webcam, you are in front of the webcam and your screen has to be shared. This is the condition, and that is what he told, sir. Screen sharing was on and webcam should be on. These are the conditions. Anything else which I missed out needs to be told. um, Coding done. Yeah, so I have covered almost everything with respect to the second round of Tech Mahindra. So with this, I hope this video has helped you a lot. If it has helped you a lot, then do refer this video to your friends so that it will help them also. So I wish you all the best. May all of you succeed with flying colors. May all of you get placed at the earliest. Thank you for watching. All the best. Take care, people. Bye.